Hello, I'm in my super comfy Rockwear activewear and we are making a healthy oat bread. So you won't need any yeast, you don't need to wait hours for it to rise. You basically need a couple of simple plant-based ingredients that you probably already have at home. So make sure you keep watching if you want to know how to make it. So first things first, my oven is on 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have got 2 cups of oat flour. So that's simply just rolled oats blended into a flour consistency. A teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, which I think has a really nice flavour. And also some baking soda, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of that, and that is going to help a heavy flour like oats rise and be nice and fluffy, just like real bread, but much healthier. So I'm just going to stir this up really quickly. And then I'm adding 250 grams of coconut yogurt. I've also tried this with almond yogurt, so that really works as well. But you can also use some Greek yogurt if you want to make it higher in protein and if you're not vegan as well. And then I've got 1 flax egg here. So that's 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed soaked into 3 tablespoons of water. And this is going to mimic a real egg and it will help bind everything together while also adding some more protein and fiber to this recipe. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using this garlic infused olive oil, which has a really nice roasted garlic flavour. It's going to add a bit of oomph to this recipe as well. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also use lemon juice as well because the acidity helps react with the baking soda and make, again, everything rise and nice and fluffy. And then I'm simply just going to stir that up as well. So now you can see that this is a dough consistency and it's looking perfect. It's just smelling amazing. So I've got a bread pan which I've lined with these bread liners to make it easy to remove. I'm just going to place the dough in there and bake for 45 minutes until golden brown. So now that I've patted down the bread, I'm going to also add some seeds. So I've got some pumpkin seeds, which I'll just sprinkle on top, and also some hemp seeds. I love hemp seeds because they're full of protein, lots of healthy fats, just packed full of nutrition. So I'm going to sprinkle that in too. Remove from the oven when it's golden brown on top and a skewer inserted comes out clean, and slice and enjoy. You can store this bread in an airtight container for about 4 to 5 days. I love serving this either fresh or toasted with some jam or peanut butter or avocado on top. Those are just a few of my favourite ways. It's so versatile and it's also freezer friendly if you can't finish it within those days. Thanks for watching.